stimulus package comes a day after an indefinite extension of a nationwide lockdown.
Okay guys, as you guys already know, the lockdown has already been extended, but life still goes on, right? Then guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Anyway, today I'm actually at AEON Tebrau here to actually get some groceries, run a few errands. And the best thing actually I like about this place is actually around this area where you have IKEA, you have Toppen, and then you have AEON Jusco over here. Things are more livelier, and you can see more cars around me. But anyway, I'm going to head in to get some stuff to see how things over there as well. So join me. Well, people, what I said, at least I know this place is more livelier. The supermarket is here. You have donut shops, bakeries here. Make payment first. At least the bakery or lavender here is still okay. Still more choices. You can still grab food here. Order. Takeaway counters. Yeah, not too bad. Anyway guys, I'm going up first. Guys, I'm on the first floor here. Beauty and slimming, the sports shops. But at least some shops here are open. Pharmaceuticals. At least drink. Move on guys. Those selling food like Pizza Hut, KFC, Black Canyon or Secret Recipe, all those kind of franchises are still open and running. At least not too bad. So at least those who are hungry, you can actually just grab services, or maybe you can just come and take away yourself. It happen to be around the corner. Anyway, I'm going downstairs guys. At least compared to the rest of the complex, this place has more life, especially near to the supermarket and all the food F&B beverage around here. So at least better than something. Anyway guys, I'm going in to get my groceries. There's one thing I like of coming over here, because there's so much more people over here. The crowd here is better. At least you don't feel so gloomy. At least there's some life. Yeah, just take a look. One thing I like about AEON is that lots of choices of Japanese and Korean stuff. Store for choices of ice cream. Nice, I'm done. Let's go. It's in the evening. I really miss some street food. I'm going over to go and more or less like take away some street food. I mean, I haven't had my dinner yet. So anyway, I'm heading over to my place, my regular hideout place. So follow me. I'm back on familiar turf. My favorite street food area, but it's still lively. Still have people here. You can always buy food and take away, but no dining at the moment. Anyway, let's see what we can find. I think I'll tap out some popiah, guys. Chiều lang thiếu tạp bao á? Giao. Yêu Hồng Tô Sủy tạp bao. Not much, yeah. Don't need that much choices, guys. I cannot be late. What's that? Fried fish. Hot, not exactly my cup of tea. Wanton mee. Yeah. Umbrella. Yeah, go from chicken wings as well, guys. 鸡翅膀给我两只。
哦，可以。
Hey guys, actually Thai food doesn't seem to be a bad idea anyway. I'm thinking about it. This one, number 6. Yeah, take away. Craving for Thai food, guys. Got my dinner. It's time to head back.
Well, we just have to make the best of what we can right now and manage it. And I hope for the best that things will get back on track in the coming months.
So with that, we come to the end of the vlog again. Thanks for all the support. Remember to share, like and subscribe, and drop comments as well. I want to hear from you guys if you have any suggestions on what type of videos you want me to do. And stay safe, be vigilant, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Signing off.